Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Darian, and today we're here at the iconic Cape Disappointment Jetty catching Dungeness crab. I'm going to show you a little catch and cook on how we do it Cambodian style.
That's a crab, guys.
Enjoy.
That's full. That's a heavy pull. Oh my God, so heavy. Ah.
Guys, look at this. This is stir fried Cambodian crab with ginger.
Cool breeze whispers in my
A
hand.
little bit of both.
Tide recedes, revealing lands
Got oil in.
where Dungeness crab hides in bed. Snaring dreams from ocean waves. Patience tests the soul it saves. Every pull our hearts behave, hoping for the price we crave. Old man's tales of bounty here, rumored whispers in the clear. Cages drop, there's no more fear. Hidden treasures soon appear. Cold and silence grip the night. Eyes are focused, hearts are tight. Hopes alive in pale moonlight.
There goes in the chili.
Disappointments crowding right.
Got the chili.
Snaring dreams from ocean waves.
Ginger in there
Patience
now.
tests the soul it saves.
Oil.
Every pull our hearts behave, hoping for the price
And
we
that
crave.
crab paste. Got more crab paste right now. There goes in the crab. And now we're simmering the crab with the lid. Guys, look at this. This is stir fried Cambodian crab with ginger. So good. Wow. That's what we did with the jetty crab. Please like and subscribe and smash that notification button for more videos.